Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download a TikTok video for free without watermark. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to go ahead and pick a video that you want to download. Let's try to download this video over here. What you have to do is to click on the arrow under the comment section, okay? Then you have a pop-up menu. You see this menu over here? All you gotta do is to click on the blue icon copy link. Just copy the link. Now I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to find this particular website. It's called snaptik.app. You wanna click on this website. You're gonna come over here and this word box we're gonna paste the link, right? And then you wanna click download. So you can see very fast the video was processed from the link. Now we're capable to download the video in all these options. Pick up your quality. Please be sure to click on the real download buttons, okay? It might be above or underneath a lot of ads that have a fake download button. But essentially guys, this is how you download TikTok videos for free without watermark. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.